Hey, hi, I'm Jro, and I'm inviting you to come and see. I can't do it without pointing. Okay, make a point. Okay, put my head there. The timer just went off. The timer just went off. You know what that means? Cauliflower is ready. And look at it. I just want to say, shut up. Yum! It's golden brown, even a little burnt a little bit the way I like it. This is going in my enchiladas, girl. Okay? So, that's done. Okay, we're outside, and it's, you know, dark. So, and we're just gonna grill this salmon rather quickly because it's cold in Southern California. Don't let people give you that bullshit. You know, no net funicello running around in a bikini with their titties out. Ain't happening. I ain't seen anybody go to Huntington Beach. I ain't seen none of that. Nuh-uh. It is cold. So, just be ready for that. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I love cooking. Beautiful pieces of this kind of stuff. Oh, how pretty that is. Oh, please. But you know, I'm gonna turn this down. Look at this. Look at that. This is a garlic and onion playground. And they get along, they're friends, they play well together. So we're gonna let them play in the oil with their other friend, Oil, who showed up. Oh, look at that. We were shopping, Alana and I were at 365, which is a store here in Los Angeles. And I noticed a rather attractive man looking at my penis in my shorts, okay? Which of course, then activates that to become larger. And so I had to walk like this in the store to conceal that because I was a little embarrassed. But not that embarrassing, he was really cute. So I told Alana, look. But she was too embarrassed to look, because it was right there. Because, you know, I don't know how to do things. Okay, anyways, back to this. That was just a side. Anyways, we got salad. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on here. Look at this. Look at this. Shut up, no you. This is so delicious. Okay, I got my peppers. It's just peppers, no onion or anything like that. And I got my rice wine vinegar. I got my salt and toasted sesame oil, which you have to whisper when you use it, or else it doesn't work. I'm gonna taste it now. Oh my Godzilla! That is delicious. Oh, in the refrigerator. Let it sit for a little while. Maybe I'll leave it out. Yeah, refrigerator, I don't like it cold. Leave it out, let it cover it, let it sit, let it rest, let it marry, and we're done. The oven's set on 400. I'm gonna do the timer now. "30 minutes and counting." Okay, are you getting a gander of this shit here? Okay, this is what you don't see on cooking shows. The fucking mess! And who's gonna clean it? I don't like to clean. I'm the worst cleaner. The dishes come out dirty. I have a hard time loading the dishwasher. But first, before we go any further, let's taste the peppers in vinegar that we made for our, our dinner tonight. Oh, look. Oh my God. Let me taste. Fuck you, okay? That's all I gotta say about that. Okay, come on. Someone's gotta clean. Someone's gotta clean. Someone's gotta clean. Okay, so where's Daddy with the gas? I mean, it was 3:30. I said an hour and a half. It's now 5:45. You know, I'm just gonna throw this whole dinner out. That's it. I'll just throw it away. Give me that pie. Where's the garbage? Throw the pie away. So this is my garbanzo carrot curry soup that I have to taste to see, you know, how it is. Shut up, okay? No, you. Shut up. This is fucking great. Oh my God. I want to touch it. That's how good it is. I want to feel it up. Just took this garlic and oil off of the grill, and now I'm gonna put this broccoli rabe in the pan. And it's gonna suck up that oil. The buffet is open. We have shrimps grilled, we have tomatoes, we have cilantro, we have potatoes roasted, we have cauliflower that's just been lightly blanched, we have the lettuce spears. We have the pepper relish, smoked chipotle sauce, hot sauce, peanut sauce. Remember I told you I do two things well? One is posing. What? 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 Scary posing. Well, so much for the ping pong team. Makes me do this. Sometimes maybe both. You know, fresh herbs are so different than like dry herbs, which are kind of gross. But in certain things, they're okay. But for this, yeah, there you go. And then a little more butter on the herbs is really nice. Yeah, and then and then let's do this. Put some cracked pepper and a little touch of salt. Just a touch, like. There you go. Bon appetit, bitches.